hearts of those foolish enough to oppose them. Relentless in their skill and courage, not only in the air, but also on the ground. These brave soldiers have forged for themselves a place of honor in America's heart. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sergeant First Class Brandon Guevara, originally from San Antonio, Texas. It's been my proud honor to fly in our nation's 𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘀 flag on this, my 1015th free fall parachute jump. I will describe for you today a demonstration of precision free fall as performed by members of your United States Army parachute team, the Golden Knights